Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's okay. Today it's time to change the timing belt on the Corsa VXR. Hope you like, share and subscribe to the video. Okay, so first of all, today I'm just gonna go pick up the parts from the shop and then I'm just gonna go to my uncle to get it done. Let's go. Yeah, that was a long wait, but yeah, I got what I came for. So here's the full kit, timing belt and the water pump. Alright, let me show you what's in it. As you can see, it's all there. Alright, let's go now. We're about to take up the whole air filter box so we could have room to get to what we need to. Alright. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, remove the air filter box, so we've got a lot of room to get to what we need. Yep. Yeah, this is the air filter. There was a hose that hooked up to this bit. Let me show you. Yeah, this little hose hooked up to that. So be careful when you take it off. Don't just yank it off. So we took the wheels off for easy access. There was a guard right here. So basically we just unscrew this bit and so we could get access to this bit. Today we'll be using the jack so we could raise the engine up and down so we could unloosen the screws a bit easier. Now we're just gonna unloosen these bolts so we could get the engine mount off. Okay, now we have removed the engine mount. It's time to take off the fan belt tensioner by using a size 13 spanner. The reason why I'm not saying what size we're using with the tools is because it might be different on your vehicle. So now the fan belt tensioner is loosened, we're just going to take out the fan belt. So we'll just loosen the fan belt tensioner with the spanner so it's easier to just take out. There we go. So now all we do is just unscrew these bolts, this one and that one, and it should come off. Now everything is removed from this side. There's a lot more room to play with. Remember this little house I was telling you? Just be careful of it. Alright, so now all we need to do is to take off the cover, the timing belt cover. Alright. So now we lower it a bit down with a jack. So as you can see. Okay guys, now we're going to take this off to get to the timing belt cover. Okay, so now we're just gonna take out the fan belt tensioner. So now we're taking out the timing cover. We're like almost halfway into the job. So now we're just marking exactly where it should be so the timing is correct. Okay, finally we've taken out the timing belt, and to be honest, it's not as bad as I thought it would have been. Could have used it a little bit longer, but it's best to be safe than to be sorry. Okay, so out with the old, in with the new. So now we're about to put the new belt in. So out with the old and in with the new. Okay, let's do this. So now we'll put back on most of the stuff. We're just gonna do the water pump. We're just gonna take that off and change it. This is where the water pump is located on the Corsa VXR. So now it's time to put in the new water pump. So out with the old and in with the new. Okay, let's do this. Okay, once we put in the water pump, we're just gonna go on and put everything back together that we're taking off. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy. For more videos, subscribe, like and share, and leave a comment down below.